Hi guys, today we are going to make this LED lamp out of an old candlestick, one of the party lanterns from Dollar Tree, as well as one of their LED light sets.
For this, what we're going to need is a paper lantern, and I just picked up one of these small paper lanterns at Dollar Tree. I've also seen them in the party section at Walmart, so they are fairly easy to find. So we're going to need this, and we are going to need some tissue paper. And I just had plenty of plain white tissue paper laying around here at home, but you can also pick that up pretty much anywhere. It's just your standard white tissue paper. Now, to get started, what I'm going to do is just fold my tissue paper in half. And I'm going to start cutting. And what I'm going to end up doing is cutting squares that are approximately 1 inch. And it doesn't have to be exact because we will be trimming our lantern when we're done. Okay, and I'm just going to keep folding until I have these cut down again to about 1 inch. The next thing we're going to do is put our paper lantern together. So what you have here is the stretcher bar, and you can see it has a smaller end with a circle and 2 larger prongs at the other end. And what you do is you put your small circular end around the LED light, and you just simply stretch your lantern up and over the 2 larger prongs at the top. Right, and that holds your paper lantern together. Now, what you do want to do for this project, or what you can do if you don't want the hook on it, you can take the hook off. However, if you do that, you do want to be sure you glue this plastic ring around, because these 2 little knobs here are what actually hold, and all that holds, the lantern to the plastic. So if you pull off your hanger, it will fall apart if you don't have this glued. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go back to elementary school, believe it or not. And we're just going to take our tissue paper squares and start gluing them onto the paper lantern like we used to do back in grade school to make some of our various art projects we did back then. And we're going to do it exactly the same way. Just going to take my pencil and some tissue paper and place the tissue paper around the eraser end of my pencil, and then I am just going to twist. So once I have that on there, I'm just going to dip the end in the glue, and I'm going to place it on my lamp. And we're going to cover the entire lamp just like that. Now that I have the ring completely covered in the tissue paper, you can see it looks a little bit weird. So I'm going to go back in and cut the tissue paper down till it's about the height that the ring was, and that should give it a better appearance and disguise the fact that there was a plastic ring there, hopefully. So here we go. It is not completely flat, but as you can see, it blends a lot better than it did. It still has that little bit of a rim to it, but that is to be expected using the Dollar Tree globe. So now the next step is to go ahead and light it up and see how it looks. Now, I'm pretty sure before I go ahead and do this that it's going to be very dim because it has just the one bulb down in the bottom there. And I don't think it's going to be enough to light through all the tissue paper very effectively. But let's go ahead and give it a shot. I'm going to put some batteries in it. Be right back. Alright, so here it is with the single LED bulb in it. And you can see a slight glow through there. It's not very bright. So what I'm going to do on the bottom here, I'm going to go ahead and put a hole down here, and I'm going to feed through a string of LED lights into our lamp, and that will make it significantly brighter. And to do that, I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to make a hole at the side here. There we go. It's just that simple. Poke through the paper. Okay, and I'm going to string these lights on through. All right, now you can see just putting that string of bulbs in there makes this significantly brighter. And that's kind of the look I was going for. So I am going to go ahead and just tape this battery pack to the bottom of the base here, and then it will be ready to set into the candle base.
Hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.